How to see hidden information on Facebook. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So, without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Sometimes the information in Facebook is hidden in application or app version while it is being shown in web version. But that does not mean you will have to use Facebook from your laptop or your PC in order to see hidden information on Facebook. What you can do is simply go to your preferred browser and then use Facebook from in desktop mode. Simply search for Facebook and then you will have to tap on the three dot from your top right corner and then tap on desktop site. After that, you will be able to use Facebook in web version, e- that too in your mobile phone. So, using Facebook in your web version will help you see all the hidden informations in a post. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.